Hi, and welcome to our new tutorial about how you can creating a WordPress table of contents menu without using a plugin. So here we are at WordPress website. The screen you are looking at is a WordPress post page. First, you'll want to start by creating the list, whether ordered or unordered, that you want to make as your table of contents. Like so. Before we get to hyperlinking your menu items into a functional table of contents, start by typing in the major sections of your article. Ideally, these menu items will correspond to header titles throughout your content, as you can see I've done in this guide. First, we will be adding very simple hyperlink or anchor tag. First, type the text that will represent that. Like for example, I will type here, link 1 to section 1. In link area, I will just type $! and 1. Now I will do the same with link 2. I will type text. This text will link to section 2. Then in link, I will type $! and 2. Now we will add corresponding link tags in the post, but first let's add some extra text to the page so that we can see if our link can jump to different section in the post. I will scroll down in the post, for example, this heading is our target area. Let me change this heading. I will type, this is our heading 1. Now select this text and click Edit as HTML. Now type this code. And in the name area, type the same text you typed in link making type 1, and your first link is ready. Now again type some text so that we can make our second section. Now make second heading or section. Select it. Click Edit as HTML, and again type the corresponding text. By typing 2 next to name and close the link tag. To test how this works, click the preview button and see how it works. Click the link and it will take you down to the corresponding link area. Try the second link also.